Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy with Ahn Company. It is Friday, March 26th. I'm going to go over the markets for the day and week with you. Overall, really choppy trade, traded both sides throughout the week for the grain markets. Ended up on a little bit of a weaker note to finish the week off. Not surprising to see this action before a USDA crop report. The 31st, so next Wednesday, is a very big crop report. We get planting intentions, which is the more popular thing to talk about, but quarterly grain stocks are going to be a big feature to see how we are using this grain, what kind of disappearance we see, and it gives a little bit of a reality check to USDA. Are their demand numbers in line with where they're supposed to be? Acre numbers right now for private estimates are 93 to 94 million acres of corn and 88 to 89 million acres for soybeans. That's not enough soybean acres. We really need 90 million acres on a trend line yield to suffice the demand that we saw from this last year. So overall, how the markets performed, we are up 6 cents today for old crop corn futures. Really got that boost around noon. Ended up closing down 5 1/4 on the week. Soybeans down 13 3/4, down 15 3/4 overall on the week. So if you took away today's action, they were very, very quiet all week long. Chicago wheat up 3/4 cent today, down 13 3/4 overall for the week. And Minneapolis wheat down 3.5 cents today, down 13 cents on the week. And KC wheat down, actually up 1.5 pennies today, and down 17 1/4 overall in the week. So you can see that weaker tone that you saw. Wouldn't be surprising if we saw some mass liquidation from managed money as well to take some risk off the table before that report. When you look at the wheat market or the meat markets, you had cash trade really drive this market, cutouts really drive this market. Cash trade came 116 to 118 live. We've really been stuck at 114 for quite some time. And then when you look at the hog market, cutout values actually soared up 653 on the week for cutouts and hogs, along with a friendly hog and pig report. That matched very closely to the futures market. So hogs today were up $1.25 to 252.5, but on the week up 655, so very close to where you saw cutout values. When you look at the meat markets or the rest of the meat markets for cattle, live cattle up 55 today, up $1.70 on the week, and then feeders up 90 cents today. On a weekly chart, they jump up just over 10 bucks, but when you look at that, that's a contract switch. So April actually closed up 570 overall in the week. So next week we're going to transition, probably see a lot of volatility next week. The 31st is typically a big mover. It kind of sets the tone for where we need to get our acres in line coming into this spring. Pair that with the fact that we actually have a favorable forecast to get in the ground and get some planting happening. Things are going to approach us very fast here over the next week or so. I do have to close with the disclaimer: trading in futures and option involves risk of loss and is not suitable for all producers. This is a solicitation. Have a great day.